Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into today's top products. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after digital scales on the market, the MyWay KD-8000. This scale has been making waves in kitchens everywhere for its precision and versatility. Stick around as we uncover what makes it stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk design. The MyWay KD-8000 boasts a sleek stainless steel finish that not only looks great in any kitchen but also ensures durability. Its compact size makes it easy to store, yet it offers a generous weighing platform suitable for a wide range of culinary tasks. What really sets the KD-8000 apart is its feature set. It comes equipped with a high-precision load cell and advanced electronics, allowing it to weigh ingredients accurately down to the gram or ounce. Whether you're measuring flour for baking or portioning ingredients for a diet plan, this scale delivers consistent results every time. Let's put it to the test. Here, I have a selection of common kitchen items: flour, nuts, and even liquids. The KD-8000's large LCD display provides clear readings, and its intuitive controls make switching between units a breeze. Plus, with a weight limit of 8,000 grams, it handles larger quantities effortlessly. Beyond basic weighing, this scale offers a range of useful features. It includes a built-in percentage weighing function, which is handy for calculating dough hydration or ingredient ratios. The tare function allows you to zero out the weight of containers, simplifying complex recipes. The platform is removable for easy cleaning, a thoughtful detail often overlooked in kitchen gadgets. Its portability means you can use it anywhere, from your countertop to your outdoor barbecue. In a market flooded with digital scales, why choose the KD-8000? It's no surprise it's Amazon's choice for digital kitchen scales. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary creations, the MyWay KD-8000 is a standout choice. Its blend of precision, durability, and user-friendly design makes it a must-have in any kitchen arsenal.